Discipline isn't built on day 30, it begins on day 1. In the dark, when no one's watching, no aesthetics, no cold showers, just a broken promise and the decision to try again. You want to rebuild? Then follow me. From day 1 to day 30, here's what it really looks like. Day 1 doesn't feel powerful. It feels pathetic. You wake up later than planned. You skip the workout. You scroll. You overthink. But here's what matters. You notice. That awareness is the first spark. You don't need perfection. You need a crack of light. But awareness without action means nothing. You've been showing up, kind of. A few wins, a few slips. But now comes the hard part, the boredom. The results aren't there yet. Motivation's gone, and your mind whispers, why are we doing this again? This is where 90% of people quit. Not because it's too hard, but because it feels pointless. But day 7 isn't the end. It's the test. Something changes. You're not negotiating with yourself anymore. You're not excited, but you're showing up anyway. Discipline stops being a fight and becomes a rhythm. You're not perfect, but you're stronger than you were. And that momentum, it's louder than your excuses. Still, you haven't faced your biggest enemy yet. Old habits don't die easy. They wait, patiently, and on day 21, when you're tired, stressed, or tempted, they hit. You mess up. Maybe you binge, you skip, you fall back, and you think, I ruined everything. But here's what discipline really is. Choosing again, even after you break. You don't start over. You rise from where you fell. You're 30 days in. You don't even recognize yourself anymore. Not because you're shredded, not because you're a productivity machine, but because you've kept your promise. That version of you, the one you thought was impossible, it was never about perfection. It was built in these quiet, messy, honest moments. You don't have discipline now. You are discipline. You want to change your life. Forget the 6-month plan. Forget the perfect routine. Just win today, then win tomorrow. And if you fall, win the next one. That's how you build a life. One brutal, beautiful, imperfect day at a time. This is Habitrium, and your rebuild starts now. Comment day 1 starts today if you're in.